Hello everyone and welcome back to German with Nico. Today we are starting the alphabet and some simple sentences in German. Let's start. A. Apfel. B. Banane. C. Computer. D. Dieb. E. Elefant. F. Fisch. G. Giraffe. H. Hose. I. Igel. J. Jacke. K. Kirsche. L. Löwe. M. Maus. N. Nuss. O. Ofen. P. Pinguin. Q. Qualle. R. Rakete. S. Sonne. T. Tisch. U. UFO. V. Vogel. W. Wolke. X. Xylophon. Y. Yak. Z. Zitrone. Now let's have a look to some easy sentences to use in a German conversation. Hallo. Hello. Wie geht's? How are you? Guten Morgen. Good morning. Wie heißen Sie? What's your name? Ich heiße Nico. My name is Nico. Wie geht's? How are you? Mir geht es gut. I'm fine. Es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Nice to meet you. Ich bin im Urlaub. I'm on vacation. Danke, thank you. Bis später. See you later. Kein Problem. No problem. Hilfe. Help. Now let's see the times of the day. For example, der Tag, the day. Heute, today. Morgen, tomorrow. Übermorgen, the day after tomorrow. Gestern, yesterday. Vorgestern, the day before yesterday. Vormittag, morning. Nachmittag, afternoon. Abend, evening. Nacht, night. These words can be combined into phrases like heute Nacht, gestern Abend. Note that the time of the day stays capitalized. It is a noun. And the day stays lowercase. It is an adverb. Try to learn some of the new words we have seen today. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new. Don't forget to press the button below to subscribe. Tschüss!